Welcome to our step-by-step strategy guide to mastering the art of profitable trading. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, this guide will provide you with valuable insights to enhance your trading skills. So, let's get started. Step 1. Develop a solid plan. Begin by clearly defining your trading goals and establishing a realistic risk management strategy. This will help you stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions. Step 2. Analyze the market. Conduct thorough research and stay updated on the latest market trends and news. Utilize technical analysis tools to assess price patterns and identify potential trading opportunities. Step 3. Choose the right trading instruments. Select the assets or financial instruments that align with your trading strategy. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks and maximize potential profits. Step 4. Implement effective trade entries and exits. Use technical indicators to identify optimal entry and exit points. Set stop-loss orders to protect against significant losses and take profit orders to secure gains. Step 5. Monitor and manage your trades. Regularly review your positions and make necessary adjustments based on market conditions. Continuously educate yourself and adapt to new strategies and techniques. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to successful trading. Stay patient and avoid emotional decision-making. With practice and perseverance, you can cultivate the art of profitable trading. And that's a wrap.